Today I am reviewing the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the heart of the system, the Intel Core i7-14700F processor. This CPU operates at a base clock speed of 2.1 GHz, but can turbo boost up to an impressive 5.3 GHz. That means it delivers outstanding single-threaded and multi-threaded performance, perfect for gaming, streaming, video editing, or running demanding productivity apps. Thanks to the 14th generation architecture, you get a perfect balance between power efficiency and raw speed, ensuring your games and applications run smoothly and responsively. Now, moving on to graphics. The Skytech Azure 3 features the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 with 12 GB of DDR5 memory. This graphics card is a beast for 1440p Quad HD gaming, effortlessly pushing high frame rates at ultra settings in modern titles. Whether you're diving into fast-paced shooters like Call of Duty or Valorant, exploring vast open worlds in Elden Ring or Grand Theft Auto 5, or even playing competitive esports titles like League of Legends and Dota 2, the RTX 5070 ensures crisp visuals, smooth gameplay, and support for advanced features like ray tracing and NVIDIA DLSS for an enhanced gaming experience. Complementing the CPU and GPU is a massive 32 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 5,200 MHz. This is bleeding-edge memory technology that provides lightning-fast data access, reducing load times and allowing you to keep multiple applications running simultaneously without any lag. Whether you're gaming while streaming on Twitch, editing 4K videos, or running virtual machines, this RAM keeps everything fluid and responsive. Storage won't be a bottleneck either. With a blazing fast 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD on board, you get lightning-quick boot times, near-instant game loading, and plenty of space for your favorite titles and software. The Gen4 SSD is roughly 30 times faster than traditional hard drives, which means less waiting and more playing. One of the standout features of the Azure 3 is its 360mm ARGB all-in-one liquid CPU cooler. This is a premium cooling solution that efficiently dissipates heat, keeping your CPU temperatures low even during extended gaming sessions or heavy workloads. The ARGB lighting adds a sleek aesthetic touch inside the tempered glass white case, creating an eye-catching setup that fits perfectly on any desk. Plus, with liquid cooling, you won't experience the throttling issues common in air-cooled systems, so the CPU can maintain peak performance without overheating. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11 AC for reliable wireless internet, multiple USB ports including USB 3.2 Gen 1 for fast data transfers, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs for multiple monitor setups, and high-definition audio with mic support. The system comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home 64-bit, ensuring you have the latest software ecosystem with ongoing support. To top it off, Skytech bundles a free gaming keyboard and mouse, so you're ready to jump into your favorite games right out of the box. The PC also includes a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, plus free technical support, giving you peace of mind with your investment. Performance-wise, the Azure 3 doesn't disappoint. It's built to run a wide variety of popular games like Fortnite, Escape from Tarkov, Apex Legends, Battlefield 5, and even demanding titles like Black Myth Wukong or Marvel Rivals at ultra settings and smooth 60+ frames per second. The 1440p Quad HD display support means you get detailed visuals and immersive gameplay that make every session feel next level. In summary, the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 desktop PC is a premium, well-balanced machine that ticks every box for gamers and power users alike. Its powerful Intel i7 processor, NVIDIA RTX 5070 graphics, DDR5 memory, high-speed storage, and advanced cooling make it a future-proof investment for 2025 and beyond. Whether you're a competitive gamer, content creator, or just want a reliable, high-performance PC, this rig offers excellent value and performance straight out of the box. If you want a seamless gaming experience with great visuals, fast load times, and the ability to multitask with ease, the Skytech Azure 3 is definitely a PC to consider. Thanks for watching this review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tech reviews.